Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be telling you all about single and multi-line comments as well as dynamic and static scripting and what the difference between each of them are. Single and multi-line comments. In single-line comments, it starts with a single hashtag every time. For example, hashtag like this video and share this video with your friends. Whereas a multi-line comment, it starts with that inequality sign and it starts with two inequality signs as well as comment and ends with comment. Like for example, you don't have to put comments. You just put whatever you wanted. That will be like your variable. I'll explain it in further detail when we're going to practice this. DevOps engineer, like let's say inequality sign times 2 comment. DevOps engineer is the best. DevOps 2 engineer is the best platform to study. Author, DevOps engineer, Luis. Like and subscribe, and then comments. That's how it works. Whereas dynamic and static scripting works by dynamic scripting, you start by defining the variables that are going to be used within your scripting file. For example, name Luis, channel DevOps 2 engineer, city Dubai. Echo, my name is $name, which is the variable that we inputted up there. We said that name equals Luis. So whatever the variable is, it will automatically detect that using my name is $name. $name in this case is name equals Luis. I own the channel called dollar. I own the channel called dollar channel. Echo, I am located in dollar city. And once you're done with this command, you just copy the script above and VI into a file, any file .sh, and escape. VI into a file, any file .sh. Then you're going to input this command. You're gonna paste it there. Then you're gonna press escape shift ZZ to save and quit. Then you're gonna sh to run the file. Whereas static scripting, you immediately start typing everything. This includes no variables and no commands. Therefore, you do an example will be echo. My name is Luis. You will not put $name because there are no variables in static scripting. I own the channel DevOps 2 engineer. Echo, I am located in Dubai. Then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna copy the script above, VI into the file, paste the script, escape shift ZZ to save and quit, and then sh the file to run it. Now let's go ahead and practice this in Mobile Extern. Now let's go ahead and practice this in Mobile Extern. Now that we have Mobile Extern open, the first command what we're going to do is we're going to practice multi-line and single-line comments. So let's ls to see which sh that we can go into. Let's vi into blue lock sh. Now that we're inside blue lock, you can already see that we have multi-line comments over the single line comments over here. This is because I practiced this in our first video in scripting, shell scripting. Make sure you check this video over here on the right hand side right now. And now we're going to be showing you multi-line comments. To do that, we're first going to have to get rid of this single line comment. That we're going to do these arrows, any variable name, let's call it multi, multi-line comment. Then inside this, we can write whatever we want. This is the start of the of the multi-line comments. Comments are used for explaining what the file is used for. The file is being used for. Comments can be seen by your colleagues and by yourself. They act as notes. Then if you want to stop it, we just do multi-line comment. See, it turned yellow because it detected that this is the variable I put over here. So make sure that whatever variable you put over here has to be different and unique so you won't use it when you're typing. For example, if you write a multi-line comment is, then the server or mobile extern will think that is the stop of the multi-line comment. That is why you need to make sure this is unique. Now, let's shift ZZ. Let's run sh bluelock.sh. See, it will say this command is run, this command is running, this command is finished. How are you? The notes will not be displayed because those notes are for your colleagues and for yourself. Therefore, it will not be run because it's still not a command. Now, let's talk about dynamic and static scripting. Let's VI into BlueLock again. Now that we set BlueLock, let's set a bunch of variables. Let's say name Luis, channel DevOps, to engineer, and city, which will be Dubai. Echo, my name is $name. Now you can either choose to do $name or curly brackets, dollar curly brackets name. You can either choose to do these two, or you could just leave the curly brackets if you don't feel like, or if you don't have time, like in your rush, you don't need to put curly brackets. Echo, I am the owner of the channel called dollar channel. Echo, I am located in dollar city. Now let's get out and run this command. First we just delete this, we don't need it. Shift ZZ. Let's VI back into the file. And maybe there shouldn't be any space between name and Lewis. There should be no space. Now let's shift ZZ to see if it works now. And now it's working. This command is running. My name is Lewis. I am the owner of the channel called DevOps 2 Engineer. I am located in city. I didn't put the city. So let's VI back into the file. Wait, I did. All the capitals are important. If you put a capital, it has to be a capital. If you put a lowercase, it has to be a lowercase. Let's SH again. I am located in Dubai. That is correct. Now let's try to do static now. VI back into our file. In static, we won't use these variables. We'll just type it all by ourselves. This command is running. It's the best striker so far is Rin. Itachi. Toshi Rin. He is training in blue alongside other strikers. He is from Japan. This command is finished. So it's easy. Now SH. It says the best striker so far is Satoshi Rin. He's training in Blue Lock alongside other strikers. He is from Japan. Now, this is static scripting, which is relatively slow if you have lots of commands and if you want to reuse the same information. For example, if I want to use my name in lots of places, I'm going to have to type name Lewis. Let's say if what I wanted to write, I put a variable, and I can use the variable anytime within my script, which could save me time, because if I don't use my variable as often, then I'll still have to type that same long name or whatever you want to type. For example, if I have a code, I'll just do $code, then I write the code down. However, if I didn't do that, I'm using static scripting, then I'll continuously have to memorize that code inside my head and type it down, which will consume time. However, using the variables, which is more effective, as you don't have to remember anything, you just have to remember the name of the variable. Now that we've done explaining multi-line and single line comments, as well as dynamic and static scripting, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.